Welcome back, children, to our science online class. Let us continue lesson 3, birds. Today we will read, how does a bird fly? A bird flaps its wings to push through the air and rises up slowly into the air. Its wings make two types of movement, upward movement and downward movement. The upward movements is called the upstroke and the downward movement is called the downstroke. In an upstroke, the wings are thrown upwards and backwards, while in a downstroke, the wings are pushed downwards and forwards. The tail helps to change the direction of the flight. You can see in the picture the upstroke and downstroke, upward movement and downwards movements when it is flying. The picture is showing how the birds fly. Some birds fly at a great height, which are eagles and vultures. They fly at a great height. Sparrows fly very low, but birds like pigeons and crows can fly over long distances. Some birds can fly only short distance, which are hens and peacocks. They don't fly much. Some birds cannot fly at all. They are called flightless birds, which are ostrich, penguin, kiwi and emu. They have wings, but they cannot fly. That is why they are called flightless birds. Food habits. Birds eat their food with their beaks. They have different kinds of beak depending on their eating habits. Birds like parrots, sparrows, pigeons and hens eat insects, nuts, seeds and fruits and grains. Birds like ducks, herons, pelicans, penguins and kingfishers eat fish. Birds of prey like eagles, vultures and hawks eat the flesh of other animals. Woodpeckers make holes in the trunk of the trees and catch small insects from there. Sunbirds and hummingbirds have a long and pointed beak to suck nectar from flowers. Now let us read nests of some interesting birds. All birds make nest. They live in a home. Their home is called nest. Like all living beings, birds also need shelter. A bird's home is called a nest. Birds build nests to live, lay eggs and raise their babies. Nests save them from their enemies and bad weather. They make their nest on trees, rooftops, poles, broken walls, old buildings, or even on tops of fans. Nests are made of different things like straw, twigs, cotton, wool, leaves, hair, feathers and grass. Different birds make different kinds of nests. Tailor bird. Tailor means the one who stitches clothes. But here, tailor bird. This bird also makes nests by stitching, by sewing. A tailor bird makes its nest with 2 or 3 large leaves. It uses its needle-like beak to sew the leaves together using materials like wool, hay, straw, or thread. These things it uses to join the leaves together to make its nest. It makes its nest warm by lining it with wool, cotton, grass, etc. You can see the picture of tailor bird's nest. Here it is. The bird is sitting in the nest and it has made the nest with the leaves stitched with grass, twig, etc. Weaver bird. Weaver birds weave their nests with leaves, grass, and twigs. The nest hangs down from a branch of a tree. There is a tunnel-like opening at the bottom of the nest through which the bird enters the nest. See the weaver bird's nest. It is hanging on the branch of a tree and the bird goes inside from below, from the bottom into the tunnel. Woodpecker. A woodpecker lives on a tree. It uses its strong pointed beak to make a hole in the trunk of a tree. It uses this hole as its nest and lines it with fine strips of wood. You can see in the picture. Woodpecker is making cavity in the tree trunk to make its nest. Penguin. Penguins live at extremely cold places where it is difficult to find grass, twigs, and straw. Yes, extremely cold place means it is covered with snow. So there is no grass and twigs is found. Hence, they make their nests out of pebbles and small stones. They make their nest on the ground. Caring for the young ones. Birds also look after their babies. Once the nest is ready, birds lay their eggs in the nest. They sit on the eggs to keep them warm till the young ones come out. This is called hatching. The parent birds look after the young ones. They feed them, keep them warm, and protect them from enemies. You can see in the picture, the bird is feeding its babies. They lay eggs in the nest and sit on it, make it warm, and when the babies are hatched, they feed them and look after them and protect them from enemies. Now read the whole lesson again. Some interesting facts are given below. Read those facts about the birds and stay home, stay safe.